Hey guys, we have here our robot vacuum, and in this video we want to explain to you how to replace the roller brush on one of these robot vacuums. So you can get these replacement packages that come with all kinds of different replacement parts that you want to eventually replace on your robot vacuum. So one of these parts is here these roller brushes. So you see this is like a brand new roller brush, and then we have the old one inside of the vacuum still, so that's the one we want to replace. First thing we do is we're going to power off the vacuum by pressing and holding the power button. Then once it's shut off, then we can flip the unit around, and then we see here the previous original roller brush, and then you have here these two little buttons here that you can push in with these levers, and then you press those on both sides, and then you can lift up that bottom cover here that holds the roller brush in position, and then we can lift out that roller brush on one of the sides. And you see here, you should first take a look at the side here, how this is shaped. So both sides look different from each other. So here the left side just has this square pin sticking out, and the other one has this hexagonal shape. Now here you see this old roller brush is kind of worn out, so now we're going to replace this with the new one. And so of course first we're going to take a look at to make sure that these two parts look exactly identical, which is the case. So we are ready to insert the new roller brush here. We're starting here on the left side where this square pin is, sticking it there on that side, and then the right side is just going to fall into position. And now we can already put the cover back in place. So you see on the one end you have these little noses sticking out. Those go in first here towards the front of the robot vacuum, and then the back side we're just going to push in or push down on until they click into position, and the cover should not come off anymore. So now this is already done. So now the last step is just to flip the robot vacuum back around, and then we can press the power button again to turn it back on. And that was already it. Yeah, so I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.